Tell us what you're doing. Tell us what you're doing first.
I just feel like somebody's gonna get hurt.
Look at how they're all backing up.
The frickin' shit out of this page. Just ruined my life for a quarter of a century.
The Gopher support pager about to bite the dust.
I don't know, man.
We don't know what's gonna happen. That's pretty.
It's like a pinata.
Fuck.
Nice.
Check it.
It's not dead yet, though.
All right, Jeff.
Like a pinata.
Go through the table.
All right, Mark, you got it.
No, I don't deserve to hit that.
Anybody G3 people? Take another.
Come on, this is like
Business then.
this is the most pathetic destruction of.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hold on there, hold on.
Watch your fingers, Pat. Watch your fingers. Man, this should be an ad for like the pager company. Now put the battery back in and page it.
Oh, there you go.
That's pretty good. I got her. She's dead now.
That's pretty dead.
That's a good. I want a picture of that. Life as it should be. How many of you guys carry a pager now?
Yeah.
I saw one once.
Oh my goodness.
Actually, they're